Lose 15 plus best and best fish species. Lose 15 plus best and best fish species. Aquarium is one of the species extremely rich in color, type and shape. Aquariums bring not only fun, class for the fishbowl players but also bring luck, success in work as well as study exam. Let's take a look at the top 10 types of ornamental fish with brilliant and attractive aquariums from a scientific perspective. 1. Arauana. Arauana is a scientific name for Osteoglossae known as kings in the ornamental world, living in freshwater environment. Arauanas are not only enjoyed by many fishermen but also many amusement parks, eco-hunting. Their physique is aggressive, but they possess a beautiful, seductive style that not all aquatic animals have. So set the Arauana in the house, express the majesty, attract the fortune and dispel the disaster, evil. The body is elongated and flat, with a long muzzle, large, with a length of 60 to 90 centimeters, which can reach a maximum of 120 centimeters and weigh more than 7 kilograms. Arauanas are omnivores, live in about 5-8 large and small fish eggs, incubated in mother's mouth until eggs hatch. Therefore, a large aquarium should be equipped, with a minimum volume of 750 liters for the first child with good water filtration, and an additional 100 liters for the next child, so that they can swim freely. Also, be sure to prepare foods such as insects, geckos, frogs, or small fish that filter water and replenish water whenever needed to increase their longevity. Market price of Arauanas is quite high at about 5-7 million VND, small and 15-20 million VND, adult corresponding to different types of Arauanas at different prices. Discus, or discus fish. Discus is a species of Symphysidona tilapia family, which lives in the tropics of South America, under the Amazon River. If Arauanas were dubbed the king in the freshwater aquarium world, Discus was like a queen in that world. With a large round body like a plate, but possessing a very elegant beauty, feeling relaxed, lightly dispel the tired when watching them. They are loved by fishermen who love the title of queen. Discs often swim in flocks with a soft, flexible appearance. The size of the adult fish is about 15 to 20 centimeters. If you keep a fish tank, you should feed them red worms, earthworms, bow or throw away. They are not picky but are relatively difficult to raise because they only live in a clean water environment to be healthy. This fish is difficult to reproduce in the artificial environment. Each cycle can lay 200-400 eggs. The market price ranges from VND 300,000 to 300,000. Fish with lengths of 10 to 15 centimeters, depending on the fish, color and pattern. Japanese koi fish or more specific carp nishikigoi, the carp is domesticated and crossbreeding for breeding. In Japan, koi fish is considered a symbol of luck, prosperity with a variety of different. As carps live in freshwater habitats, they are highly adaptable to highly adaptive carps in harsh living environments, which are diverse, easy to breed and have a long lifespan. Depending on the habitat of koi fish in Japan, 2-3 years old can lay 150-200,000 eggs. They usually lay at night and early morning. The dominant color of the fish is red and white, but after breeding and evolving, koi fish have more color than the original. The market value of small koi fish ranges from 800,000 to 900,000 VND. Fish for adult fish, the price is 3-4 million VND. Fish, depending on the type of koi and the size of the price, respectively. Read more. Capture 7 interesting secrets of golden carp. 4. Clownfish. An amphiprionidae or clownfish, living in reefs and coral reefs, is located in the clownfish family of the pair of fish. They are about the size of 10 to 18 centimeters, usually living symbiosis with sea anemones, extremely rich colors such as yellow, orange, light red, black striped white. They are omnivores, their main food being phytoplankton, larvae of the tail, worms and algae. They communicate with each other by slamming jaws together to form a sequence of quick click. Clowns can lay hundreds to thousands of eggs on any flat surface of the sea anemone and usually lay at full moon. Males will be responsible for protecting eggs until they hatch for about 6-10 days. The market price ranges from 120,000 to 150,000 VND per head. Zebrafish. The hippocampus comes from the carp family, mainly living on the tide and coral reefs. As an omnivore, their main food is worms, insects. Zebra breeders around the year focus on the rainy season, have short reproductive cycles, and are usually very small, hatching eggs after 2-3 days, and are often eaten by other species or by their parents themselves. It is therefore advisable to limit the size of seahorses to other types of fish and to increase the amount of water hyacinth or mollusk in order to prevent the loss of large numbers of acne. Showfish contain many striking colors like fish zebra red, blue zebrafish, zebrafish gold. With its easygoing, fast-moving, and beautiful-looking features, zebrafish are popular among aquarius enthusiasts for breeding in aquariums. The market price ranges from 2-6 million VND per head. 6. Arhat's flowerhorn is one of the tropical fish species that artisans breed from red snapper and tilapia. Called the arhat because they own a big head like a fairy, with colorful colors on both sides and a symbol of luck and prosperity. Their main food is usually shrimp, snails, baby fish, liver and minced meat. Arhats fish easily in artificial and glass tanks. As fish species are easy to grow, healthy and less disease, their life expectancy is quite high. Over 10 years the size can be achieved as 25 to 30 centimeters. The market price of small arthropods ranges from 20,000 to 30,000 VND. Fish. The first fish, 100,000 VND. Fish. The larger fish, 200,000 VND to 300,000 VND. Fish. The adult fish is 500,000 VND/. Red snapper blood parrot cichlid, also known as red bloodfish, is a blood red fish. Formed by the crossbreeding of the Cichlidae family, the pink snapper is yellow when young and turns red when grown. This is also the reason why fish is considered as fish species bring luck and success for the owner. Cashew fish do not eat aquatic plants, their food is usually cow's milk, overcooked, scraps in the tank, frozen food and pelleted food. They can eat even smallmouth fish. Pink hyacinth is often inadequate because males cannot fertilize eggs. Roses are usually grown up to 20 centimeters in size. The market price ranges from 400,000 to 1 million VND. Angelfish. This fish is scientifically known as Sterophyllum scalare, a species of fish in the emperor's family. They possess a very beautiful shape and color plus the ability to fly as fly, so they are fond of the name angel, the most beautiful fish in the coral reef. Because their food is so special, they only eat seaweed and organics, so they cannot be farmed in aquariums. Angel size can reach over 30 centimeters. The market price of this fish is quite expensive, about $2,500 per child. Stingray fish. The cuttlefin, Acanthuridae, is a species of finfish that lives in the tropics of the oceans around coral reefs. There are bright colors in the body, and the two sides of the tail have sharp spines like scalp. They are usually eaten by the herd, mainly seaweed food, relatively small in size with a maximum body length of 15 to 40 centimeters. Market price, $25 for small fish and over $100 for large fish. Raw fish. The fish with its scientific nomenclature, Cincturopus splendidus, is a saltwater fish belonging to the Atlantic family of sea bass. Dubbed as one of the world's prettiest fish species, they often live close to the secluded atolls of the Pacific Ocean, which often hide in the Pacific Ocean during the night. Common foods are salted shrimps, worms. They usually match you pretty good. The ability to protect eggs high. Fish size is small, about 6 to 15 centimeters, and usually lives on the bottom. The market price is about 400,000 VND, head, about 15 centimeters long. Galaxy fish. The galactic fish, whose scientific name is Aniomargaritatus, is a small fish belonging to the Burmese family, usually living in small ponds created by groundwater or small streams flowing from the stream. A rare fish with a small body and fat, along with small colorful dots all over the body, with a length of 2 to 2.5 centimeters. Spawning time is a series of events. This species is adapted to reproduction of short-lived species. They have no reproductive seasons, and their offspring continuously. Pearls require very simple living environments, but they live and reproduce best in soft water, low temperatures, and do not need too much space because they swim a little. Market price is about 30,000 40,000 VND, head. Learn more butterfly fish and 10 plus basic facts to know. 12. The phoenix fish. The phoenix, Microgeophagus ramiersi, is an endemic species of the Orinoco Basin, in the Venezuelan and Colombian Sahara in South America. Live in every layer of water, to study the behavior of fish. With many types, colorful colors and lovely body, this fish is a lot of people play hunting ornamental fish. They are omnivorous, easy to feed, and their main food includes worms, squash, crustaceans, small insects and pellets. They spawn and spawn prey, eggs and fry are parental care. The adult phoenixes are about 5 to 7 centimeters in length. Market price, VND 10,000 50,000 unit. Swordfish. Honkim fish have many names such as swordfish, swordfish. The most prominent is the sword under their tail. This tail is not a weapon but a decorative material to help the drum more prominent. In the eyes of the females, swordfish have many different colors such as blue, red, yellow, with a unique tail like the sword-occupied body, so they are considered one of the most beautiful aquarium fish today. Maximum size is 12 to 16 centimeters. Feed for mature swordfish is plant residue, crustaceans, insects, pelleted food. They breed year-round, culminating in July and August. Market price, about 200,000 VND, kg. Lethargy fish as a marine fish, the only surviving representative of the Zanclidae family. In the wild, fish can reach 18 centimeters in size, but in the tank, they usually reach only 10 centimeters. The color of the fish is characterized by stripes of white, yellow, black in the body. They often gather in sheds along the reefs, and if you have a large enough tank, you can raise many different animals in full color. Sea trout are quite difficult to feed, mainly with algae, sponges, minced meat, shrimp, spirulina and algae. They need to be eaten several times a day. High compatibility with invertebrates, should not be combined with kneeling, dressing and small vertebrates. Guppy fish, the most popular aquarium in the world, originated from Jamaica, live in freshwater environment with rich color, abundance, relatively small size, only about 4 to 6 centimeters with females and 2.5 to 3.5 centimeters with males. The color of the fish is very colorful, but the focus is still red. This fish is easy to breed, fast reproduction. Usually fish want to drop into the aquarium, then you should choose the medium size because they will be more beautiful than big fish. The market price is very cheap, from 4,500 VND, bare. Ollie fish. Ollie fish is native to Cape Maclear, Malawi of Africa, with many different types, in which blue algae are the most common. Only a simple blue but extremely prominent in the aquarium. With gentle, easy to keep, do not require the owner to take care of every day. This fish is easily confused with other fish because of similar characteristics similar to other aquarium fish. Market price is quite cheap, only 20,000 VND, child. Glassfish. Glassfish is scientifically known as Cryptopterus bucerus and originates from lakes in Malaysia and Indonesia. The difference and most strange of this fish is the transparent body like glass can penetrate the internal organs, which is also the factor that makes the difference of this fish. The market price is only 40,000 VND, unit.